Good evening, everyone. Welcome to AI 1 Minute for September 22nd, 2023.
Here are the things that happened in the AI world today.
Today, a repository named Tuning Playbook by Google Research and Harvard University is trending on GitHub. This is an extremely comprehensive repository developed by researchers aiming to provide complete guidance on fine-tuning, hyperparameter tuning, and other adjustments on large language models in deep learning. It is a great resource to take a look at.
On September 19th, OpenAI published a blog post about Red teaming, which is a collection of domain experts outside the current OpenAI team that can provide additional insights about risk assessment and mitigation efforts more broadly.
On today's Google Research blog, they discuss the technique that can be used for training smaller and more specialized models with less data. Google introduced a new technique called Distillation step by step, and they achieved a better performance than 540B Google's Palm model using a 770M parameter model.
The reasoning behind this distillation step-by-step technique is that when a prompt is asked to the large language model, we also use the chain of thoughts to get the rationale of the prompt. With both the question and rationale, we train the smaller model.
That's it for today. See our video intro to learn more. Good night.
Good night.